Oh, Rob's on snowboard. He's got the GoPro. Yeah. Here. Here, can you put it on my head?
Hey, Rob.
Brianna, it's really snowing, isn't it?
Rob, can you upload this to my channel? Because last time you did it to yours. Here you go. Can you put this on my head? Or never mind, I got it.
Right now.
Can somebody put my hood over, like, just right over my head, but not over the GoPro?
Do you want me to go get the sleds?
Can.
Okay, I'll go get them.
This one's fine, I can't even tell.
The one's Mama.
Is it kind of pointing forward, Rob? What? What'd you say? Huh? I need to bring it up here.
Brianna, watch out!
I can't even. Where's my hood? Brenda, where's the hood at?
What?
Where's my face thing at?
I don't know. You had it.
I'm gonna go get it. What? What? Well, what? No, what'd you say though? Cause what?
The people are out of the way.
Okay. I'm gonna get my little hood. Okay. Is it going off?